Narendra Modi government's actions on ground, given the fact that the incursions happened in April, now it's September. Rahul Gandhi asks, is this a hand of God that will restore the LAC?
Gaurav, firstly, welcome to Ladakh. And I'm sure you must be feeling the heat of it. Now, see, as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, he is at liberty to ask questions. He is the leader of the opposition in the Congress party. And his questions at times make me laugh. You see, his questions are, I don't think they carry any meaning. But then from his side, he thinks that he's hitting at the government. Now take his latest question. Firstly, he is talking of our land. For him, it may be our land. But for us, it's motherland. And I can assure you that we will leave no territory of our motherland,
Sir,
including...
This clearly is no laughing matter. You may feel like laughing, but this is no laughing matter. Chinese are at the line of actual control since April.
This is exactly what I'm saying.
Status quo ante hasn't been restored. Now it's September. Now they're eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation. This clearly is no laughing matter, sir.
Gaurav, please understand the meaning of status quo ante. We don't want status quo ante. We want Chinese to go back. We are not going to vacate what we occupied. We have occupied these heights with great difficulty. These were the Chinese since '62. We are not going to go. Status quo ante means we also go back. We are not going to go back. The Chinese will have to go back.
Is that the government position?
Clear to them.
Is that the government
position?
It is
made very clear to them.
Okay.
It has been made very clear to them. And the contents, the statement, listen to me please. The statement you yourself repeated that India will not accept any contents of unilateral change of status quo. The government stand is very, very clear.
But the Congress says that these are only words. Where is action on ground? Dr. Shama Mohammed, are you satisfied with the BJP's response?
I don't know who this particular person is, but I'm unable to see anybody. But I just want to tell him that Rahul Gandhi has been right when it came to COVID. He has won the government of the day. And now even the health minister has agreed that, yes, we need to take COVID seriously, Dr. Harshvardhan. Initially, he mentioned that, you know what, again, like whoever the spokesperson is, spoke about Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Can we stay on the Chinese incursions and the LAC situation, please? I have restricted time on the broadcast.
Gaurav, I'm coming to it. I just have to respond to the way he spoke about my leader. And right now, we have a prime minister who came on television on June 19th and said that no land of us has been taken and no army post has been occupied. And it is the same line, first time in the history of India, the Prime Minister of India is agreeing to what the statement given by China. That is, they also said that no land of India has been taken and no army post has been occupied. So who is the one who's worried about his image? This has emboldened China, and I'm going to repeat it in every debate. This has made China stronger. That's why there is multi-pronged occupation this time by the Chinese. This has made them stronger because they know that there is a prime minister for whom the image is more important than the sovereignty of this nation.